ka district level committee hub empowerment of women Bhoi district nongpo ka khot bat ka panbana ya ki khobor like kam bat ki ne ki post ki temporary but contractual post hapo ka Shakti Sadan mission Shakti for Bhoi district kito ki bakwa banwan the biya kini ki post bat ki badon ya ki kerdan pule kat kum ki te ki post kin sneu bha banwan the biya ki application jongki sha ka Ophis jong ka district social welfare officer Bhoi district nongpo ha ki kenta trikam jong ka Ophis ki post ki balai ki long kum ne harum residential superintendent bat ka jingsiu kan long R4R hajar officer assistant ka jingsiu kan long khasan hajar multi purpose staff ka jingsiu kan long khatsan hajar unong shet lane ukuk ka jingsiu kan long pra hajar security guard night guard ka jingsiu kan long pra hajar kinong thep kam kin debet ki bala dap khat pras nem shaneng but palat ya ka life ars nem karta hapo ka sitarik ukalla lengkot ar hajar ar pusan bat ka sngi khadu ban pediang ya ki application kan long ha ka santrik uno pra ar hajar ar pusan na ka banta ki jingtip ki ba company phila ban lejmi sha ka Ophis district social welfare officer Bhoi district nongpo ha ki kenta trikam jong ka Ophis ban penne pensa ya ka jingjerngam jong ka mei mariang ka Ophis u district sports officer Bhoi district ha ka jingyasno ktilang bat ka Ophis u deputy commissioner ka Pynlong ya ka program halor ka jinglong kongsan ban yo ya ka mariang ka bakhoi ka bosuba kabla tip kum ka chief minister youth for green campaign movement ar hajar ar pusan ya ka te ka program las dang shwa da ka jingya rally da ki bicycle lane ka bike campaign ride kablas dang na do indoor hall siden hadu hakmat kan nongpo shopping complex kabalai shimenta da ki nongnya cycle ka kanhun Bhoi cycling association bat lap tengpat ya ka ne ka program hakate ka jaka ya kabalai shimenta da ki nongya lam ka nongpo town committee ki kanhun samla pule lembat ki we de ka jingthmu jong ka green campaign movement ka deru ka thong jong menteri rangba ka jalla ka longru ban prinsluri ki paiba ban sumar bat kershan ya ka mariang langba ki kam lekhoi ki banwanra ya ka jingkalla ha ka me mariang ka bangi imman la ka sngi da ka ban penduna ya ki jingpenmi ya ki jabo bat banthung man sumari ki ding ki se ban penduna ro ya ka jingpenon kam ya ka boarding electric bat ru ban nom pen sep e ya ka ban penkhu ya ki saudong sokun bat kiwe ka bangila man le man la ka sngi ha ka ne ka sngi la sakhilang ro ka jinge don lang ka pradhan assistant commissioner Bhoi district uba Bobby L Nongbet u DSO ka kong Ridal Ndem PTI ka office u DSO ki samla pule ki kanhun nonya cycle ka Bhoi lembat kiwe de
reminds us that protecting our environment begins with us. Under the vision of our Honorable Chief Minister, we come together as youth to plant, to clean and to care for our surroundings. Every small action, say it's saving water, reducing waste or planting a tree, creates a big impact. Let us lead by example and inspire others to join. I won't take too much time again, short and sweet. Together, let us build a cleaner, greener future. Thank you, Kublai. Jai Hind.
As we know that we do not, the earth does not belong to us, but we belong to this earth. So it's our responsibility to make sure that we take care of our mother nature. So what has really happened in the past few years is that in this rapid surge of development, we can see that climate change is happening for real. So there's a risk that the temperature of the earth has already increased by 2 degrees. The risk of global warming is actually near. We can see the sudden landslides, the floods and everything which has really put the human life at risk. So now suddenly this, therefore at the international levels and everywhere this thing of climate change and suddenly we all have started taking actions because we have realized that if we don't act now, then maybe our future generation, they have to suffer for us. So therefore it's very important that that not only the government but we as a citizen, we take the responsibility and we act responsibly to save our environment. So if we know, we have already launched a campaign that is Lifestyle for Environment movement at the national level. So where each and every individual has to ensure that through their responsible behavior, they are protecting the Mother Earth. So basically replicating that, in the state, we have launched a green campaign movement, which is basically awareness for our environment. So we have to make sure that first of all we are that whatever we are already having, that we have to conserve. So please, we can start from small actions in our daily. For example, we can ensure that we are saving water, we are not wasting water, we are saving electricity. So whenever we don't require, we can always switch off the lights, the fans. So from these small things, we can actually make a huge impact. If each and every one of us make small changes in their day-to-day lifestyle, we can really create a huge impact collectively. So from today, we should always make sure that we are not using plastics. We are always using recyclable things. We can also ensure that we are not wasting water, and we are not cutting down trees. We can make a resolution that every year we are planting one tree and we are taking care of that particular tree. So these small things I would like to really urge each and every one of us to make sure that we really do, and I'm really sure that if each and every one of us will ensure, we will definitely